guys, Hishitori here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. So you want to be an artist, huh? Well, in this video, it's going to be very brief, but I'm going to give you some tips on how to start drawing for the first time, or just drawing period. Pretty much all you gotta do is just learn how to draw shapes, whether it's 3D or whether it's flat. Either or, just start practicing drawing that. Just like I'm doing in this video right now. You can use either, like, if you have any blocks or something at home, it doesn't even have to be a block. It could be a spear, it could be a triangle, it could be whatever. I didn't draw a triangle in this video, just putting that out there. But any shape that you can draw in like 3D, if you have any blocks, like I said, I just repeated it again. If you have any of those, whether it's a Lego piece or it could just be something random in the house, a ball, maybe not a ball, but I mean, it's a spear. So you could practice with that, or anything, like I said, anything that you have in a house, whether it's like a lip balm container or a shoe box, something you can look inside and out just to practice doing it. Or you can go online and just research either on Pinterest or Google or whatever you can look it up on, and just practice from there. As I always say in all of my videos, it's best to use references so that way you know what you're looking at and what you're doing, rather than just drawing it from the mind, the imagination. It might not turn out the way you're thinking it. Sometimes it works, but there are times where you gotta learn inside or outside the box. Something like that. I mean, I'm trying. You know, give me some credit. This is also a good thing that you can do. Like, another example that you could do is take your sketchbook or your iPad and go outside and just draw shapes that you see, like a house or a car. Car's kind of like a shape. It's like you're putting a square and two rectangles together. How about that? You can also look at like light poles. That could be another shape to look at. You know, it is 3D, so that's another thing you could practice on. Oh, you could challenge yourself also, like a timer, like you set a timer for yourself. See if you could draw this shape in, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes. You could start with like maybe 10 minutes, depending on the shape. If it's like super difficult, it's like a hexagon or something, you could do that. And then when you feel like you're comfortable, get better at it, shorten the time. You know, challenge yourself. It's okay. You can also see things and sketch them. It's a good start to practice on, so that way later on you get the hang of it and you're ready to go. It might take some years, but patience is key, and it is always key to have patience. Also, looking at things in perspective view, whether you're outside or you're looking at shapes and whatever that you have inside your house, that is also like a good workout for the eye and good workout for the mind and the hand. You know, the hand is like moving, so it still counts as like practicing, or not practicing, but working it out basically. Or, you know, if you like have the money, you can go back to school also to learn about it. I just say on my end, it's like free 99, but some things I may have to go to school for. But you know, with technology today, you can go on YouTube, go online of anything and learn from there. But if you want more, like how to do more, then you can go to college for that. If you feel like it's too hard to do it while you're at home, then going back to college or going to college will probably be like your best bet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It might not be much, I might not be explaining too much, but I'm pretty sure like with the amount of that I said in this video, you pretty much got what I was trying to say, or like really explaining. So again, I hope these tips and the advice helped you out. Again, I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you liked what you saw and you want to see more. And not only do I do art on my channel, I also do games. So if you like seeing it too, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Again, I also do live streams. I mostly game during my live stream, so make sure you guys hit that notification bell to be notified of when I stream next. And to stay on top of things, make sure you guys keep a lookout for my community posts. And once again, see you guys next time, and thanks again. Bye.